Hi guys, Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have this for sale, Honda CBR1000RR Fireblade. This one is the RR5, so a few updates over the RR4 which I'll run through. So being an RR5, it is a 2005 bike on an 05 plate, 22,560 miles on the clock, and the most apparent differences with these is they've got radial calipers and proper upside down forks, so they've got a lot less unsprung weight, faster turning, things like that. This bike's lovely and clean in silver and black, R&D crash protection, you've got a seat cowl and the rear seat, and also the Yoshi exhaust, so it sounds wicked as well. It's also mentioned it's got a tail tidy. Coming over the front, these bikes have the HESD system, which is Honda electric steering damper. And there's your mileage there, 22,560. So, coming down this side of the bike, you'll see the funky indicators it's got with the carbon look. You've got some R&G crash protection, and also on the RR5s, these came with a nice sort of polished, brushed aluminium look swing arm, so they look the part as well. Right, I'll give it a fire up for you. Proper awesome sounding bike, these. So, if you fancy this one, as always, all you need to do is give us a ring or just pop down to the showroom. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.